Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you how to use TikTok template in CapCut on PC using simple steps to create amazing TikTok-style videos quickly and easily. Step 1. Open CapCut on your PC and wait for the main screen to load. Once you're in, look for the Templates button on the side panel and click on it. Step 2. A new window will appear that looks like a movie layout. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type TikTok into the search bar to find the right templates. Step 3. You'll see two options, TikTok videos and TikTok video edits. Click on TikTok video edits to view a list of available templates for editing. Step 4. Scroll through the templates and click on Suggest under the one you want to use. The selected template will automatically be added to your timeline in CapCut. Step 5. Click on the template in your timeline. You'll see small clips that you can customize. Replace them with your own videos to personalize the template for your TikTok content. Step 6. To upload your own clips, go to the Media section and click the Upload button. Once uploaded, drag your clips into the placeholders to complete your edit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.